Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I have a little treat for you today. I have a new line in the shop. So meet Kindred Stamps if you're not familiar with their company. They do a lot of pop culture themed stamps. So these are really unique. I really love the designs and I thought you guys would too. So I'm going to share what I have in stock this time around. And I hope you guys enjoy. You could use my coupon code Jamie to save 10% off your order. And don't forget, US orders over 60 ship for free. So this one is called Puppy Love. Really cute. There's a little spaghetti shaped in a heart there. There's sentiments in here. Cute little size. I love sharing everything in life with you. Life's rough without you, and that's amore. So I love these cute little size stamps. Just enough to create a super cute card. I forgot what this one was called. I don't see the title on this one. But you can kind of see who that is, and the little hedge of the hedge bush there trimmed out to look like a dinosaur, I believe. There's sentiments. Hold me. I'm all cut up over you. I'm not complete without you. This one is happy accidents. He's got his little paint set there, and a little tree and a cloud. No mistakes, just make happy accidents, happy little trees. So this one's really cute to send to your crafty friends. They will know who he is. This one is Family is Forever. Super cute. Family is Forever, Aloha, and Ohana. So you get the girl and the dog, and you can kind of see who this is. This is Tea Friends. To get the little pills, I guess. Eat Me. The little teacups. The Hatter. The the Queen. This is the Alice, I guess. There's the little cat. You're my cup of tea. I'm mad about you. Stay curious. May all of your unbirthdays be happy ones. And then there's a little bottle that says drink me. So I'm just guessing her name is Alice. I don't really know, but you can see you know, what the stamp is based upon. I don't want to say the movies and the TV shows what they are because of, I guess, copyright purposes. So you can just guess what they are. And this is the Gnomes, and this one has gnomes. I forgot the name of it. I know it has the word gnomes in it. And it's got the cute little gnomes with the cute mushroom house, the little frog and a snail. There's a little butterfly and some more elements in there. Oh, gnome, you did it. 100% organic awesome. I love you no matter what. So there's some cute sayings in this one. Galactic Adventures. You get 4 characters, a star wand. There's some sentiments, nice buns to go with her. You're my only hope. Happy Father's Day. I love you. I know a woman's place is in the Renaissance. This one's called Yo Ho. Get the ship. the pirate, the girl. So how are you? Drink up to ear is human, to R is pirate. Ahoy! So some cute sentiments to go with the stamps. This one is Witch Sisters. You get 3 sisters, a cat, a bubbling cauldron, a little candlestick, and then some sentiments there. Hocus pocus, best witches. I put a spell on you. It's just a bunch of super cute. And there's some larger stamps, 6x8 stamp sets. This is Students of Magic. So you got all your students, a witch hat, a little feather, an owl, and some great sentiments. I'll always be here for you. I love you more than sucks. Brave, loyal. Best frenemies. Wise. Nice big set. This one here is called Surviving Zombies. You get some zombies, some fighters, or hunters, I would say. Zombie hunters. Guts. I love you, but if zombies chase us, I'm tripping you. Have a smashing birthday. You got brains. I love your guts. That's funny. And then this one is called Park Cuties. It's cute. Get the castle there. Real big cupcake. Those are some cute little ears. I'm all ears. So glad you could drop in. Have a magical day. That one's really cute. And this one is Off to See the Wizard. Really, really cute. You got all your characters here. And then this large sentiment. It's not the destination, but the journey that matters most. You say which like it's a bad thing. Oh my. And there's no place like home. That one's super cute. And the next, Space Explorers. This one's a nice large stamp set with some nice large sentiments in there. Somewhere, something incredible is waiting to be known. Let's enjoy a cup of Earl Grey together. So these are really, really unique, fun stamps. I know you'll have fun playing with these, so I will have them listed down below so you can check these out. Don't forget the coupon code Jamie to save 10% off your order. And today is the last day to order your pre-order Lawn Fawn, where I'm going to have unlimited stock because I'm going to put my order in on July 25th. So you might be able to order in the morning, July 25th, before I get my order in. But as soon as I put my order in, you're going to see limited stock on the items. So if you are worried that something is not going to be in stock, I would order today. So I'll have the link down below to the Lawn Fawn section as well if you are going to place a pre-order. And try to keep those separate because those are not shipping until late August. And I don't want to hold up your other items. But if you don't mind, it's fine. Just please note that your whole order will be on hold until release day. So that will be late August. So thank you so much for stopping by, guys, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye, everyone.